What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Brian Noonan here, coming to you a little bit sunburnt. Was up at the lake house this past weekend and got sunburnt on a jet ski. But I wanted to take this time, make a quick video for you guys today to announce the winners of the 1,000 subscriber mark giveaway. I'm going to be giving away 4 $25 Amazon gift cards, 4 $25 gift cards to 4 lucky people. Guys, it was so hard for me to try to pick these 4 people. There was so many awesome comments going through and reading these, and not just because I like the nice things you had to say about me, but just the amount of support and appreciation that you guys have shown me for reaching this 1,000 mark. So super dear to my heart. It was a huge milestone. I'm going to continue pushing forward to that 10,000 subscriber mark, and it's all thanks to each and every one of you. So I want to give back by first announcing the 4 lucky winners of the $25 gift cards. Then I'm also going to give you guys some details about the virtual meetup I'm going to be doing. This is going to be a free meetup or a virtual workshop where we can all get together. I can get to know my subscribers a little bit better. We can join together on a like a Zoom call. I'll be able to share my screen. We can do some live product research together. You can ask your questions with me and get answers. So why don't I go ahead and announce the winners of the gift cards. And some of these comments, I wish I could go through, guys, and thank each and every one of you. And honestly, I had like 8 or 10 people on my list that I really wanted to choose. But I did narrow it down to 4 people. Each of you will receive a $25 gift card. But thank you guys so much, each and every one of you. Looking at these comments, it means so much to me that you guys took a moment out of your busy life to watch my thank you video for the 1,000 subscribers, to leave me a comment, and not only that, but to go out of your way and thank me and show how much you appreciate my content and my channel. So the winners are, for each 4 winners, the first winner is Shauna R. You have won a $25 gift card. Number 2 is Pauline S. You have won a $25 gift card. And then the other 2 winners, Christian C. is the 3rd winner, and then the 4th winner is Janjir H. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Janjir H. You were the 2nd comment on the video. So Janjir, Shauna R, Pauline S, and Christian C. Each of you guys have won a $25 Amazon gift card. I'd also be happy to just send you $25 to your PayPal. You can choose either the gift card or $25 cash to your PayPal, either one. So congratulations, guys. Thanks so much for entering the giveaway. Now let's jump into the virtual meetup. I'm going to be doing the virtual meetup and workshop free to everyone. I'm going to go live right here on my YouTube channel, as well as it'll be a Zoom call and recorded so you can watch it back later. It'll be a live YouTube video, or a YouTube live, and also live on Facebook. And then we'll get on a Zoom video call together. It'll be free to come in and join the video chat, ask your questions and get answers, and then we can jump into anything you guys are struggling with or have questions about getting started with Amazon FBA. I also really want to ask you guys, my fans and subscribers and my viewers of my channel, what type of content would you like to see me make? Go ahead, you guys did such an awesome job of dropping comments on that thank you video. Go ahead down below and drop comments for content suggestions. Which types of videos would you like to see me make? In-depth or cover, whether that's FBA fees or maybe there's the new changes at Amazon with the inventory limits. I think I'm going to be having a video covering that in a week or so. But drop me a comment down below. What types of videos would you like to see me make, and what topics or subjects do you want to see me cover? Also, I will be making sure I'm keeping you guys up to date and being transparent on that product that I am launching, the coffee cup warmer for desk. I'll be walking you guys through what point I'm at with launching that product. I'm currently negotiating with suppliers, so I will make sure I document that and release that here on the YouTube channel to keep you guys informed on how that product launch is going. And make sure to watch out for a video I'll be releasing in about a week covering all the new Amazon FBA changes, the error codes and the inventory limits, to keep you guys informed and up to date so you know what you should be doing or not allowed to do with Amazon FBA. Okay, guys, so we have Janjir, Shauna R, Pauline S, Christian C, and I do want to give one more $25 gift card. That's going to go to Kathy Tolley. So I actually did one extra. So we're going to do Kathy Tolley, Christian C, Paulina S., Shauna R., and Janjir. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I did 5 winners. It was so hard to choose, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you who took a minute to leave a comment, supported that video. Reaching that 1,000 subscriber mark has been my goal for over a year now. Constantly making videos takes a lot of my time, but I do it to help you guys, and hopefully you've got value from this channel, and I'll continue to be transparent with you guys and bring you only the best up-to-date content and strategies for succeeding and making money on Amazon. The winners, make sure that you can just comment on this video down below, or I will put my email down below this video and just reach out to me from my email, and then I'll go ahead and set up that gift card, an e-gift card sent to you, or $25 cash to your PayPal. Thank you guys so much for watching, and appreciate all your guys' support. It means the world to me. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next video.